Hello, welcome to Together Virtual Teacher. In this session, you will learn how to balance your work and life daily schedule. The outcome for this session is that teachers will be able to have a work-life balance by completing 100% of responsibilities both at home and at work. How can I find this work-life balance? 3 basic buckets. You have to prioritize your tasks. Include family and personal tasks on your daily agenda. And, as always, when life happens, reschedule as needed. Let's see what this looks like with one of our very own teachers who have been able to implement organizing their time and tasks with both work and family responsibilities.